Google Forms gives you the ability to turn on or off whether you are accepting responses. This is great for things like exit tickets. Really, I just want it at the end of the session, so I don't need it open all the time. So you'll see when you click on the response tab here, it's this big red banner, not accepting responses. So let's pretend I had another session today. All I do is turn it on, and suddenly people can respond as needed. And as soon as the session is over, I turn it off again and it's no longer accepting responses. So let's say I forgot because, life happens and I'm doing the session and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I go to my send and I'm going to do that link and copy that and I throw it into a chat of our Google Meet or something like that. And then all my respondents say, hey, it's not accepting submissions. And I say, what? So if I copy that link, just to double check, it says resume collecting. So all I do is click that, and then Google asks, do you wish to continue form response collection? And I say, okay. And without even clicking on that response tab, it's already accepting responses. So Google has your back if you forget, but you do have the ability to turn this on and off from the response tab, or if we have that off again, and if I do that preview or what have you, hey, you need to resume, I can also resume from there as well. So there's a couple of ways that Google keeps you safe and helps you collect data when you want it and stop collecting it when you no longer need it.